So I just corrected this when step. This when step, it was a different one. That's why. So it was failing, but we corrected this. So I send the request to the server with request body to update. So let's run now. Run as Maven clean first. And then Maven test. See, so the advantage of API testing is it's very faster than UI. It's very faster than UI. That's the advantage. So two failures. Okay, empty. So why it came empty? Okay, so we'll see that report. Okay, let's see the report where it failed. You will get a very nice, so clear instruction you will get where it is failing. So failure one also we need to see, right? So 90% passed a minute ago, 10.9 seconds only it took. The first one, see, I send the request to the server to delete user. Is this delete user one? Yeah, delete API. Application JSON. Oh, we didn't send. We're sending, right? Delete user. Application JSON we're sending. Okay, maybe I have given a space. That space is causing a problem. Okay, so that is how you can get the solution for that. Then see, now get to post to put all are passed. All are passed. See, here it is failing. So line number also it is showing line number 37. This is how you can see. So where it is failing also. So that line number also it will show. So it was failing here in this, because the validation it won't pass right when if it fails beginning. So this is a skipped. So this one is, this symbol is a skipped one. Because this step failed and remaining skipped, but this one is passed. So that's how you can check the report. Let's run again one more time. It should pass now. Still failing. That's strange. Content type. Expected. This one is delete user, delete user. Mm, When delete, then okay, so maybe this is not available. Let's extract only the value. But it failed where? It is failing in the different expected content. Expected means this one only. Then in the then uh, assertion error. Okay, so this is that is failing. Regress scenario is failing. It is very clearly shows. But why it is failing? Given header, this one delete. So delete API 2 not /2. That is correct only we have given, right? /2. Okay, let's see. Unexpectation failed. Expected content type application JSON. Yes. 36. See line number 36. But here we deleted, right? That one is no more. Let me delete. Maybe compilation issue. I'll just refresh. Okay, I'll just refresh. And as Maven clean. If not working, you have to do Maven update also. Sometimes the compilation won't happen. That is giving a trouble. I'll do Maven install. Yeah, now it went fine. I think there is some issue here. Yeah, so we're good now. So that application JSON has some issue. Maybe that is not required for this. That might be the reason. Then we are good. We all the say 100% passed. Delete. Now everything is fine. Okay. So this is how you can see the report also step by step you can see. Now, so we want, say Windows 11 also it is fetching Java, which is Java 17. Cucumber Java, JVM 7.14.1. Okay. So now I want to push this code to GitHub. So I'll just go to the properties file, the location where my project is there. So let's go to the project location. This is my project. So I'll create the same this folder with same folder name. I'll create a repository name also. Make sure that is same. It matches. So exactly this one. You go to here top right side, new repository. So first create a repository. I'm giving same name I'm giving. So API automation. So with REST assured framework in BDD style. So I'm making public. Anybody can use that. Create repository. I'm just creating the repository. See now you just execute all these steps. Okay, I'll execute one by one these steps. So now we are in the main branch. Okay, we are in the main branch. So you can just execute these steps. Go to this folder. So this is the one, right? This is the one. Open your git bash. Open your git bash and execute one by one step. So first step, generally we can use a git init to initialize the git project. So here it is there already. We are going to do that. Git init. Do the git init. So git init will initialize the git project. So then second, git add readme file I'm adding. So I'm adding that. Then git commit my first commit. So then do this git branch -m. So this one post. So it changed it to main. Now git status, you do that. So there are many files. I'll create a branch now. So on top of main, I'll create a branch. Git branch, git checkout. I'll do the git checkout -b. So API rest assured. So now all came to here. Now let's see how many branches are there. We see now you have a 2 branches. Can you see main branch and rest assured branch? So that we are good now. So you can see here your main branch and old one. So now you need to add all these files, right? Git status. If you do see all these files are not added to your local repository. So add to the local repository. So you add to the local repository. Maybe I'll include this also. Git remote repository. Let me add git remote repository. So it's added. We are good. Now git add dot. All these files are added. So git commit. See now before it was in red, right? Now it's see when you do git status again, see it is turned into green color. That means they added all the changed files to local repository. Local repository is our branch name. Remote repository means this GitHub main branch. So now what you can do, git commit first. After adding, you have to do commit. Commit means you are saving all the files to local repository. Git commit -m and commit message. See, all are added. Now you do the git status again. Git status just to know still any files are there. See, nothing to commit. Working tree clean. Working tree clean. On branch API rest assured. You are in the on branch API rest assured branch you are. Now I need to push my code. To push. Push means you are sending your local repository changes to remote repository. That's a push. So do git push origin. So you can just give git push origin this branch name. See, the code is pushed now. Code is pushed to here. Now you can refresh, but still see this branch. But where is the main branch? So we should get a main branch also here. We all branches. Main branch should be there. Main branch is missing. Not missing. It was there, right? Here it is there. Git branch. So git checkout main. So git. So I'll check out. Okay, I'll check out to my branch now. So both branches are showing here. So main also should show here, but somehow it is missing. But those are the steps, okay? So those are the steps. You will have automatically this main branch. You don't need to worry about that. Main branch will be there. So when you create main branch, say this is the code is pushed 2 minutes ago. Okay. Here it is showing. I don't know why. I'll just change something. Okay. Let me change something and we'll push the code again. I'll git checkout main. Your local changes to the following. Git status. Something is modified. That's why it is telling. I can add, but this is a dot class file, but we don't need. Okay. So you can put git restore and that file. So I can put a git restore. So git restore. But we don't need this, but still, I just want to give that. So git status, nothing to commit. It is gone. Okay. Git checkout main. So git pull. Okay. So git pull origin. I'll put git pull origin. Origin main. So remote remote doesn't appear to a git repository. Think something we messed up and that's why it is not. If you wish to set tracking information to which branch, git branch may set upstream to origin. Let me take this. So on this branch. Okay. Now git pull origin. Okay, so git check out git pull git pull. I'll pull the API request one. Okay, git pull origin. So API request one, I'll pull it into main. See, I pulled into this one. So git status working tree is clean. Your branch is up to date with this one and nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. Now let's see what is there in this. So now it should show at least two. It's not showing again. So I'll push git push origin. Push origin. Yeah, it should come now. See, now we got it. But here also you have the data now. Okay. So now two branches are there. So what you need to do, I'll make a small changes in the main branch, the rest. So rest assured branch. Okay. Let me check out git checkout API rest assured, right? Git is a very important. Please practice Git. So I checked out to Git branch. Now Git status. See, I'm going to delete some of the files here. Okay. So maybe target will delete some of them. So whatever we don't need, I'll delete this. Okay. Let's delete this. Oh, you got a Cucumber report. I'll delete this.
It's free, but
Okay.
just come little bit forward. It's nearby.
So delete that.
No. Come to the westward square, 4 rows.
Okay. So now some of them we deleted, right? Now you need to add them. No, you need to update that git status. Just do git status. See, it will say you removed them. So I will just add. I don't want those changes. So I'll just put git add dot. So the changes came. Git uh, commit -m. Some report files deleted. So give the proper comment, otherwise it's difficult. Okay. Git push origin. So this one. So you are pushing the code to remote repository. Always remember, pull means you are pulling, push means you are pushing to the remote. See now, if you go here, see just now you added a, no, it is saying one commit behind this one. So I'll move to my this one. I want to show you pull request. That's why. So these changes, so you don't have. So that's why I'm just adding those. And see, I'm going to create a pull request now. So on this branch, I'm creating a pull request. So new pull request. So I'm creating a new pull request. So you want to push it to here. Create a pull request. See now here you can give some some title you can give. Some title I'm giving API. So rest assured BDD style test script. Okay. So added BDD style. So rest assured automation test scripts. Practicing git commands. So just say create pull request. So once the pull request is created, see pull request is created. So with this title, pull request is, so no, somebody has to review this. So no reviewers, but somebody has to review generally. Okay, reviewers will be there always. You can assign to your team member, they will approve it. So merge pull request. So because it's a self, require approval from, you didn't add a rule. Generally in the company, so rule will be there. You cannot merge directly. There will be reviewers and they have to approve. So a continuous integration has not been set up. You can do GitHub Actions or several other apps. So GitHub Actions here, so you can see what are the GitHub Actions. So get started with the actions. Automate your workflow from idea to production. So basically, GitHub Actions means whenever you push the code or you create a pull request, automatically you can ask to trigger the Jenkins job automatically. So that is what this uh, pull request means. So let's see, get started with the actions. GitHub Actions documentation is any workflows you can maintain. Basically, GitHub no workflows you can maintain. So that GitHub no document you can go. So automate, customize, and execute your software development workflows right in your repository with GitHub Actions. That's what in the repository itself you can start actions. You can discover, create, and share actions to perform any job you would like, including CI/CD, and combine actions in completely customized workflow. So generally, so this is a new feature added in the GitHub. So what happened is before this feature was not there, and when you add this GitHub actions in the GitHub itself, you can run your test cases. So that's what this all it is teaching. So all the GitHub actions you can set up it. So using starter workflows, publishing node.js packages, building and testing PowerShell. So you can create a continuous integration workflow to build and test your PowerShell project. GitHub provider provides a starter workflows for a variety of language and toolings. So lot of options they are providing. You can see is events that trigger the workflow. Examples, if you want some examples also. So workflows that demonstrate the CI/CD features of the GitHub Actions, and workflows that demonstrate the CI/CD features of the GitHub Actions. So you can create a custom continuous integration workflows directly in your GitHub repository with the GitHub Actions. So maybe we want this one, deploying with GitHub Actions. Learn how to control deployments with features like environments and concurrency. See, everything, they are making like, in the GitLab also, we used to have, automatic pipeline. So you can set up the same thing they added here, GitHub Actions. Okay. So that's the GitHub Actions means. So I'll try one at least. Starter workflow, context expressions. So you can set up like this, job 1, job 2, like this. The components of GitHub Actions. So you can set the workflows like this. So first this one, then it will go here and runner 1, runner 2. Like that, you can set up all the GitHub Actions. Jobs, actions, runners, create an example workflow. Say this is the one. So this .github workflows you need to add. Okay, so you need to add this file, YAML file, in your project. Then automatically it will run. I'll work out on this. and then maybe tomorrow I'll show you on this how to set up this. Okay. Otherwise, so just practice Git commands. All the Git commands, you go to our blog. So every Git command here, you can see it's a very, very important. Take up all these Git commands one by one. Git config. You can configure your email and username. Okay. So when you create a first time, one time only this activity, Git config. And then, so Git init we did already. Git clone, you can clone, even you can clone my repository and you can run in your test cases. Maybe if you haven't started writing the API test cases, you can clone my repository. So I'll share my repository, and that repository, this one, right? Okay, I need to push this code. Let me push this code. Let me complete that pull request. Okay.
That's fine. You can bring it.
Where is this?
Yes, have a seat. You need water or anything? Have a seat. So, like we have 3 guys here. A guy is moving out most probably end of the month. The other guy is moving out on 6th or 7th.
So you can go here and we can see RestAPI automation. So this is the May, right? May 15th. Yeah, this one open card. But this one is the May. Yeah. So this one. So we have your API RestAssured branch isn't protected. Okay. Anyhow, we are merging this.
But like this is
We have a.
This is wrong, yeah.
okay.
So me and the other girl moved out.
So this one. Let me.
Mostly we try to keep 2 people, more than 2 here.
And
But sometimes, like people need space, students or professionals, they don't find space. In that case, I only give it. But mostly I try to keep it only 2.
so pull request, yeah, pull request here. So now this pull request I need to merge. That's what the challenge, right? This is the one. Just come here. Create a merge commit.
I have external
And splash and merge, rebase and merge.
Saturday.
So
I have to move tomorrow.
the one commit from this branch will be added to the base branch.
But then only
So create a merge commit means all commits from this branch will be added to the base branch via merge commit. So I'll do this.
So we can do some adjustment here. If this guy will come on Saturday.
Merging.
Then.
So click on commit. So comment you don't need, close with comment. So I'm closing this branch. So close with the comment. See, this is a merged. So you can go and see here the main branch. See, that is merged. See, a branch one committed behind, but
2 days we have to.
I'm open for this because I mean
still any, yeah, we don't have anything. See, all completed. Merged. So it's already merged to main branch.
No, I'm not able to stay there in that extended stay. I cannot. That's company provided. I may not be able to extend it.
No problem. You can come tomorrow.
From which place?
I'm from Chennai.
Yeah. So it is merged. So you can see
So is
the
there
main branch.
or I have to go to the
So main branch is the using RestAssured framework.
The screen
So
zero
it is
will
available.
Directly downtown.
maybe.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
So that's how to merge pull request and everything. And tomorrow we'll see one more RestAssured framework without BDD, how to write. I'll show you that. I already written that. I'll show you that, and reusable methods, everything.
Right.
And then Monday we'll start the
Killcraft.
playwright framework will start. Otherwise, course is done. But I thought of giving a playwright also, and we'll give a playwright.
There is
course.
one transit in Richmond.
Tomorrow I'll show you one UI BDD Cucumber framework style and RestAssured without BDD. Both I'll show you. Both frameworks I'll show you so that you'll get some idea on the BDD also.
Common.
Without saying I don't know BDD, don't say I don't know BDD. BDD is also important. Postman is important. API testing is very easy. Just spend some time. That's it.
Right.
And execute all these commands. Git add. So git commit to git diff. Git diff it just tells you the difference between the remote file and current local file. So that's a git diff. Git reset. You can reset the file. So git status, you want to know what are the changes done in the current branch. That git status will list out all the files. Git rm means it delete the file. Git branch, so which branch you are, it will list out the branches, master and your feature branch. Git log, so it will find out the log. So which commit is happened. See, if we do git log,
I will eat.
so it will list out how many commits we did. Okay, so that's what so git merge, git remote add, so that we did already. Git push, we did git pull. These two examples they will ask. And git checkout, we did already. So all this, please go through that. And also one more, they will ask, how can you handle the conflicts? If two files are, two testers or two developers modified the same file, then you will get a commit conflict. That conflicts you can handle. So with just checking that file, where is that errors you will get. So here I have given, I think, a merge. See, so how to handle, I have given here somewhere. You can check this. But SSH keys how to add, I have given. But yeah, commit, there are some changes. You can easily find out your changes and other file changes and use your changes only or previous person changes. Based on that, you take a decision, make changes and save it. And again, push the code back. So that's how to resolve the merge conflicts. Okay, so that's all about Git